Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how we could convert a document or a book from TXT format to any other format, if it's PDF, Word, whatsoever format you wish. To begin, open your browser and type Calibre and hit enter. Under Calibre ebook management, click download. At this stage we download this very light software and we will install it and then we will use it. The download installation process is very straightforward. Just click download if you are a Windows user. If you are a Mac user, choose the Mac one, and if for Linux, you choose this one. Once done and the download is done, you can click as for any other software and install this software. It doesn't take more than 1 minute. Once your installation done, click to run the software and then open the folder where your document is saved. By the way, there is a video where we show how you could download and install Calibre software if you don't know how to do it. As a next step, select the TXT document, click drop drag inside your folder, inside Calibre. Right click and select save to disk in a single folder. Select the folder and click select. Wait a few seconds until it's done. Normally it should show us TXTZ format. So here it has read the document, it shows TXT, so right click, convert books, convert individually, select TXTZ and click OK. Click on jobs to see the progression of the conversion of your document, and once finished, close it, right click, save to disk in a single folder, select the folder and click select folder. And as you can see, it automatically has added a new document with .txtz. And now it's ready to be used and transferred. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.